Good morning students. Welcome back to our session. This is B. Srinivasa, Department of Electronics from TJPSC College. Today we are going to discuss about remaining part of 8085 microprocessor architecture. Okay. If any microprocessor can do the fetch, decoding, fetching, decoding and executing. Okay. In any microprocessor can do the fetching, decoding and executing. Okay. Program execution. Program execution in 80 in processor in 8085 or 8086, whatever it may be. Program execution in processor. First of all, you see the microprocessor. A microprocessor consisting of program counter. This is the architecture of 8085 microprocessor. In this 8085 microprocessor consisting of registers, accumulator register, A register, C register, D register, E register, H register, H register, L register, stack pointer, program counter. Okay. In microprocessor consisting of program counter, IR, instruction register, next one decoder, next one ELE unit. These are consisting of microprocessor, and we take the memory. Memory means memory. It can store the information. And the information either can be represented by the data or program, whatever it may be. And the memory is the set of memory locations. For example, in the memory location 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003 and 2004. These are the memory locations in memory. First of all, instruction. Program means sequence of an instruction to perform a particular task or function. Okay, program means sequence of an instruction to perform a task or event. Here the instruction can be divided into two parts. Those are, first one is the opcode and second one is the operand. Opcode and operand instructions can be divided into two parts. First one is the opcode and second one is the operand. Opcode means operation code. Here the opcode can be represented by the commands due to the processor or CPU. Here the operand means it can be represented by the data item can be represented by the operand. Okay. First of all, we see the program. Program means sequence of an instruction to perform a particular task or function or event. Here the instruction can be divided into two types, opcode and operand. Opcode means operation code. Okay, in that operation code it can be represented by the commands due to the processor or CPU. Here the operand means it can be represented by the data. Okay, first of all, memory is the memory. It can store the information. In that information it can be represented by either opcode or operand, whatever it is, opcode or operand. Here the memory acts as a brain of a microcomputer. The memory acts as a brain of a microcomputer. The microprocessor acts as a heart of the microcomputer. Heart of the microcomputer. This is the brain of a microcomputer. Okay, here the memory, you can store the information. Memory is the set of memory locations or address. Here the address is the specific unit identification number to specific particular location in memory. To specific particular memory location in memory. Okay, here the address is the unique identification number. Address. Okay, in that memory you can store the information. Okay, suppose example for the memory, we can easily remember the memory. Okay, here the memory means classroom. In the classroom, we are setting the benches. The benches. We are setting the benches. In that benches, we are sticking the roll number. In that benches are sitting the particular person. In a classroom, we can treat it as memory. Here the benches, we can treat it as memory location. Okay. Next, roll number, we can treat it as address. Person can be treated as data. Simply, we can remember the memory. Here the memory locations, address and the data, we can simply easily identify. First of all, we see the classroom. In the classroom, we are setting the benches. That benches is known as the memory location. In the classroom, we can treat it as memory. The roll number, we are treated as address. Particular person, we are treated as data. Okay? We have remembered the memory. At the time, simply identification. Simply example. Okay. In the memory, you can store the opcode and operands. Okay. In microprocessor consisting of PC. PC means program counter. Program counter is also a register. What is the use for the register? It can store the information temporarily. Program counter is a 16-bit register. It can store the information, 16-bit of information temporarily. Okay, what is the use for the program counter in microprocessor? What is the use for the program counter? Program counter can store the memory address of the next instruction is to be executed. Memory address. These are the address. Okay. Program counter, it can store the memory address of the next instruction is to be executed. Program counter, it can store the address. In which address? 2000 address. In 2000 address, it can store the information. Whatever maybe the information can be represented by opcode and operand, whatever it may be. Okay. Here the IR register. IR register means instruction register. IR register means instruction register. Instruction register is an 8-bit register. 8-bit register. PC means program counter register. That is also one type of register. Program counter. Program counter, it is a 16-bit register. It can store the memory address of the next instruction. Memory address of the next instruction is to be executed. Okay, program counter, it can store the memory address. In which address? 2000 address. At the time, instruction register. Instruction register is an 8-bit register. When an instruction is fetched, when an instruction is fetched from memory, when an instruction is fetched from memory and then is stored in the instruction register, and then store the instruction register. In this program counter, it can store the memory address. In that memory address, it can store the address. In that address is sent through the address bus. Through the address bus to the memory, particular memory location. In that memory location, to find out the memory location, in memory. In that memory, it contains the information is fetched. Okay. In that information is fetched from memory to the instruction register. Here the instruction register is a 8-bit register. When an instruction is fetched from memory and then is stored in the instruction register. Here it can do the fetching of the microprocessor, and then it go to the decoder. What is the use for the decoder in 8085 microprocessor? Decoder decodes or analyzing or understand the information present in the instruction register. Okay, here the decoder decodes the information present in the instruction register. Here decoder decodes or understood or analyze. Okay, decoder decodes the information present in the instruction register. And next we go to the timing and control unit. What is the use for the timing and control unit? Timing and control unit? This is the PC means program counter. Program counter, it is also one type of register. IR means instruction register. This is also one type of register. In each register, it can store the information temporarily. Okay, timing and control unit. What is the use of the timing and control unit? Timing and control unit, it can provide the timing and control signals. It is the necessary for the execution of program. It is necessary or need for the execution of a program. Here the timing and control signals, it can control the entire operation of the system. It can control the entire operation of a system. Here the timing and control unit, it can generate the signals to the microprocessor. It can perform the operation. In which operation? It can do the arithmetic operations and logical operations. Program counter, it can store the memory address before the execution of microprocessor. In the program, it can store the memory address before the execution of the memory address in program counter. It can store the memory address of the next instruction is to be executed. Before the memory address, it can store the program counter. In program counter, in which address In which address you can show you can show the address in that address to the address bus. In that address, you can send the address. You can send the address from A0 to A15 address buses. A0 to here. Here we can see the A0, AD0 to AD7. Here the AD0 and AD7, those are the multiplexed. Okay, combined for the address and data lines. Okay, here we can separate the address lines. Here we can separate the address lines A0 to A7 and A8 to A15. Total, how many address lines? A0 to A7 and A8 to A15. Total A0 to A15. Total 16 address lines. In that address lines, address bus, it can send the address. It can send the address to the memory. In that memory, in which address to find out the address, for the particular address location. Okay, in memory consisting of how many memory locations? 65,536 memory locations. In that memory location, okay, we need the memory location of 2000 to find out the memory location of 2000 to find out the memory location. In that memory location, it containing the information. When an instruction is fetched from memory to the instruction register, here it can do the fetching. Of the microprocessor. Okay. At that time, and we go to the next decoder. Decoder means decoding the information. In which information? 3. For example, you can convert the 3 binary value 00 11. E hexagon, it is converted to the binary. Okay. 14, it can be represented by 10. Here in the information, it is converted into a binary form. In that binary form is sent to the decoder. Okay, what is the function for the decoder? Decoder decodes or analyzing the information present in the instruction register. In that information, decoder is decoding. And then next, timing and control signals. It can perform the timing and control signals can generate the execution of the program. Okay, it can control the entire operation of the system. Okay, here the timing and control signals are provided to the microprocessor. It can do the operation. Okay, here the next section we are going to the ELE. ELE means arithmetic logic unit. It can perform the arithmetic operations. And logical operations. In which one is the arithmetic operations? Means addition, subtractions. Those are the arithmetic operations. Logical operations are and XOR and NOT. Those are the logical operations. ELE means arithmetic logical unit. It can perform the arithmetic operations and the logical operations. Arithmetic operations means addition, subtractions. Logical operations are and XOR operation. Okay, next ELU, it can perform the execution till the instruction halt or stop instruction is executed. Okay, execution in which unit? ELE unit. It can perform the arithmetic logical unit, and the output it can be produced by the monitors or printers, whatever may be. Okay, here the ALU, it can perform execution unit up to halt or stop instruction is executed. Okay, here the microprocessor can do the fetching, decoding and execution. In any microprocessor, it can do fetching, decoding and executing only. Okay, we see the functional block diagram. In this functional block diagram consisting of general purpose registers, those are accumulator register, B register, C register, D register, E register, H, L. Okay, next we are discussing about the program counter, address, databases. Okay, next we are discussing about the arithmetic logical unit. Arithmetic logical unit, ELE unit. Okay, it can perform the arithmetic and logical operations. Okay, and next we see the instruction register. Here, IR means instruction register. Instruction register is an 8-bit register. When an instruction is fetched from the memory, and then it is stored in the instruction register, and then we go to the instruction decoder. What we can perform the decoder? Decoder decodes the information are present in the instruction register. If the present in the instruction register, decoder only simple it can do the decoding or understand or analyzing the information. And next one, timing and control signals. Timing and control signals. Timing and control signals can provide, it can generate the signals to the microprocessor. It can perform the operation. Okay, microprocessor you can do the fetching, decoding, and execution. Simply, we can see the program. In assembly language program. Assembly language program. In assembly language program, we can write small instructions. See assembly language program. Here write assembler means assembly language. You can convert the assembly language into machine language. Already I told you program is sequence of instructions. Instructions can be divided into two parts. Those are the opcode and the operand. Opcode means operation code. Operation code. Here the operation code it can be represented. It can be treated as commands. Commands due to the processor. Here the operand can be treated as can be represented by data. Okay, assembly language program. Assembly language program. Okay, simply assembly language program. In that assembly language program consisting of program means sequence of instructions to perform a particular task. In which task? Addition task. Okay. In that instruction consisting of opcode and operand. What is the opcode? What is the operand? Opcode means operation code. Those are the MVI. Here the MVI means move immediate. MVI. Add. Those are the opcode. Before the comma can be represented by the destination. After the comma can be represented by the source. This is the source. This is the destination. Operand means data item. Operand can be represented by the data item. Okay. Can explain this instruction. MVI A comma 0 to H means move immediate. MV means move immediate data. Source how much data? 0 to the accumulator register. Okay. You can do this instruction MVI A comma 0 to H. The destination in which register? Accumulator register. Source how much data? 0 to. The command MVI means move. I means immediate. Move immediate data 0 to H to accumulator register. At that time 0 to data it can move to the accumulator register. In accumulator register how much data? 0 to. At that time accumulator register consisting of 0. And next, we can do the next instruction MBA B, 03H. At that time, we can do the move. MBA means move. Immediate data. Immediate data. How much data? 03. 03. Data. Immediate data. Move to the destination. Which register? B register. To the B register. At that time, 03. Data is moved to the B register. At that time, B register. How much data? 03. Next, we can do the instruction add B. Add B. Write the format. Add B means addition of B register. The content of the B register to default in which register can be selected? Accumulator register. After the execution of an instruction, the result also accumulator register. Okay. Add B means addition of B register. The content of B register. The content of B register. How much B register? 03. The content of B register to the accumulator register. How much accumulator register? 02. Okay. Default. In which register can be selected? First register. In 8085 microprocessor, in which one is the first register? Accumulator register. Accumulator register is the A8-bit register. Accumulator register is denoted by A register. Okay. Default, we can assign the A register. At that time, we can perform the addition operation 0 to 03 addition, and the final result it can be stored in the accumulator register. Accumulator register is an 8-bit register. It is denoted by A register. Before the execution of an instruction, or operation, the operand, the data can be stored in the accumulator register. After the execution of an instruction, the result also can be stored in the accumulator register. Before the execution of an instruction, the data can be stored in it. After the execution of an instruction, the result also can be stored in the accumulator register. That is the main advantage of accumulator register in 8085 microprocessor. Okay, first of all, fetching the instruction 3E. At that time, it can store the instruction register. Next, we go to the decoder. It can decode in the information 3E. Okay, in that information, you can analyze it. 3E means move immediate accumulator register. Here the MBA A means it can opcode the E 0 to data. Next, MBA B, it can represent with the opcode 0603, that is the data. Add B instruction, it can be represented by the opcode operation code 80. First of all, we can take the 3E from the memory to the instruction register, and then it go to the decoder. It can decode the information. It can understand. What is understand? 3E means move immediate to the accumulator register. Okay. At that time, we can do the immediate data to the accumulator register. How much data? 0 to data. Next instruction register 02. Decoding, that is the data. Okay, the data is moved to the accumulator register. At that time, accumulator register, it can be stored in the 02. And next, we can take the 06. That information is fetched from the memory to the instruction register. At that time, instruction register, it can go to the instruction register. The information of instruction register is go to the decoder. It can decoding or understanding the analyzing the information. Okay, 06 means here it can do the immediate move to the B register. Okay, it can understand. Immediate move to the B register. How much data? 03. This is the 3E opcode. 02 data. 06 opcode. 03 operand, 80 opcode. Yeah, the information, in which information? Opcode data, operand, okay, operand or data, can store the information, memory, it can store the information, in which information? Instruction. Instruction consists of opcode and operands. First of all, we can take the read to the instruction register to decoder, decodings, okay, at that time it can go to the AL unit, okay, and it can provide the terminal control signals. Okay, first of all, 02 data in accumulator register, 03 data it can store in the B register, 02 can store in the accumulator register, 03 it can store in the B register. Okay. Next, timing and control signals, it can provide, it can generate the signals to the microprocessor, it can perform the operation. Which operation? Add to the B register to the accumulator register. How much B register? 03. Accumulator register how much? 2. Okay. In the B register, store the information to the temporary register. Accumulator register how much? 02. Accumulator register 02. Accumulator register 02. B register how much? 03. B register to temporary register. B register, here the store B register content of the information to the temporary register. And then timing and control signals, generate the signals, that signals to the microprocessor. At that time it can perform the operation. In which operation? Arithmetic operations. At that time, accumulator register, the content of the accumulator register, and temporary register, the content of the temporary register, move to the arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic logic AL unit. Arithmetic logical unit, you can perform the arithmetic and logical operations. Arithmetic operations means addition operation. Addition. Okay, the content of the B register to the A register. B register to the A register. Okay, at that time it can perform the addition. The final result also can be stored in the accumulator register. You can arithmetic logical unit, it can perform the execution. Arithmetic logical unit, you can perform the execution. Then the final result can be stored the accumulator register. Okay, here the result, it can be represented by flags also. Flags also one type of register. Flag to indicate the arithmetic and logical operations, conditions. Okay, here the flag register means to indicate the status of the current result. Here the current result, if the current result is positive or negative, if the current result is 0 or non-zero, it can be represented by the flags. Okay, in that flag register we are discussing about next class.